Welcome to this segment of Did You Know? In this tutorial, we'll look at the accessibility checker in Canvas. Accessibility guidelines help us ensure that the content we create is usable by the widest possible audience, inclusive of those with a variety of disabilities, including visual, auditory, cognitive, and motor disabilities. Did you know that the accessibility checker in Canvas can identify barriers in your Canvas content and provide guidance for solutions? Let's take a look. The accessibility checker in Canvas is available as a part of the Rich Content Editor, and that's the content editor that we use whenever we're creating content in Canvas, whether it's a page, an announcement, a discussion post, or in this case, an assignment. And you'll always find the accessibility checker below the area where we create content, and it looks like the accessibility icon. And you can see here that Canvas has given me a little notification indicating how many accessibility issues it has identified in the content I've created on this assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click it to open it on the right here, and you'll see immediately what it's done is it's shown me where on the page it's identified an accessibility issue, and it's explaining this issue to me here. So it's telling me that I've used colors to try to highlight some information in the text, but the colors I've chosen are difficult, if not impossible, for people with a variety of visual disabilities to read. So what it does is it gives me an opportunity to fix it. So it's telling me I need to change the text color, and what I can do is kind of move this around, and you'll see this is not making it better. When it gets to a point where the ratio meets the accessibility threshold, I'll have the ability to apply it. So I'm going to go ahead and make the color lighter, and you can see that the apply button now appears, and that accessibility issue is now fixed. So now I'm down to 2 accessibility issues. So I'm going to go ahead and look on the page. It's telling me that I should not be using a file name for the alt text. And what this alt text does is it provides visual information in a text format so that people who aren't able to interpret visual information still have access to the information being conveyed by that image. So in this case, it's a book cover. So what is the information that I really need to convey here? It's the name of the book. I want all my students to know the name of the books they have the choice to read for this assignment, not just the ones who can interpret the visual image of the book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change the alt text, and then click apply. And it's telling me the same issue is on this next image. I'm down to my last issue, so I'm going to go ahead and change this alt text and click apply. And now it's telling me that I have no more accessibility issues on my page. So that's how you use the accessibility checker in Canvas. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips like this one.